Hi y'all, today we are going to be doing something really fun. We are going to be making some creamsicle fudge. We have some white chocolate baking chips, we have some evaporated milk, we have some sugar, some marshmallow fluff, some butter, some orange extract, and some orange food coloring. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. So, in our pot on a low heat, medium-low heat, we're going to take one 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. Try not to spill like I did, that's alright. We're also going to go ahead and just cube up 1 cup of butter to help it melt a little better. Now we're going to take a lot of sugar. We're going to take 5 cups of sugar. No one ever said fudge was healthy. Now we want to go ahead and get this stirred. We want to keep stirring until everything is well dissolved and incorporated and we get one fluid liquid mixture. So that way the sugar does not burn. Alright, so once it comes up to a boil, we're going to let this boil for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright, after about 4.5 minutes, we're going to go ahead and cut heat. Now, if you were smarter than I, you used a much bigger pan. But if you're like me, we need to transfer this into another dish to finish mixing it. If you did this in a bigger pot, you don't have to do this. You can just mix it all in the same pot. Now we're going to take 24 ounces of that chocolate, that white chocolate. And we're just going to keep mixing until this is all melted. Now we're going to add in 14 ounces of our marshmallow fluff. Now we're going to mix until this is completely incorporated in one solid ingredient. Alright, once that chocolate and that marshmallow is added in, we're going to take 2.5 tablespoons of our orange extract. And we're going to just take a bunch of orange food coloring until we have that color that we want. Might have been a little much orange, but that works. Okay, once we have it well mixed together, let's go ahead and take a little spoonful. We're going to make sure we got enough orange flavoring in here. I might add just a few more drops. Alright. Let's go ahead and set this to the side. Now I have an 11 by 13 cake pan here with some parchment paper. Now this made quite a bit more than I expected even, so I may wind up doing this in 2 pans so it's not too thick, but we'll see. I'll go ahead and just dump this in. At some point, I committed to just having a thicker fudge. But we're going to go ahead, sit this in the fridge for at least 2 hours, potentially overnight, until this thing is fully set. At that point, I will bring you back. Alright, y'all. Come back, there's a little overnight. Ooh. Go ahead, pull that fudge out. Then we're going to go ahead and cut it into whatever sizes you would like to cut your fudge. Now all we got left to do is go ahead and eat it. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.